Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo T2 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this pop-up though about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Vivo. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to click on Allow a couple of times. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Vivo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Vivo's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!